First time trying Jamaican food.
I'm trying Jamaican food for the first time, and she gets to watch.
Alright, listen up. Today we are about to watch something special. Americans are trying Jamaican food for the first time. And from what I've heard, they are not ready for this. Now, if you are Jamaican, you know Jamaican cuisine, you already know the flavors are bold, the spices are strong. And once people taste it, it's game over. So let's see what happens when they take that first bite.
Omi is going to be trying Jamaican food for the very first time. As you guys know, she is the most pickiest eater that I've ever met in my entire life.
I only like chicken tenders, pizza, fries,
and macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to start off today really easy. We got some brown stewed chicken. Look how good that looks. We got some plantains. We got some rice and peas in there.
This is all very much out of my comfort zone. My thing is I'm always afraid to try new stuff because like never want to offend anybody if I don't like it. Please, I gotta grow up.
No, this is some good stuff right here. Go ahead and give it a shot. Go ahead.
Please, I'm gonna sweat.
It's just chicken.
I know, but I'm scared.
A little plantain on it as well.
Okay, we're going back. We're going home.
It's a little plantain. Plantains here. Eat it.
What is?
It's chicken, bro. It's chicken. Eat it.
I don't eat my chicken the right way. You know I don't. Oh, it's not bad. I would eat it.
What up, TikTok man? Today we got some Jamaican food, and we got some oxtails, mac and cheese, yams, rice, and peas, man. We're gonna try this, man. Y'all kept asking me to try it in the comments, so.
American tries Jamaican food for first time.
Wagwan Bumbo Cloud, we in the house today trying Jamaican food. I met this pretty girl, her name is Beef Patty. Beef Patty.
Look at their faces. You can tell they don't know what they're about to get into. For one who hasn't tried Jamaican food before, it's famous for dishes like jerk chicken, rice and peas, plantain, fried plantain, and patties. The seasoning alone is enough to wake you entire taste buds. And here we go. First bite coming up. The first bite reaction says everything.
What up, TikTok man? Today we got some Jamaican food, and we got some oxtails, mac and cheese, yams, rice, and peas, man. We're gonna try this, man. Y'all kept asking me to try it in the comments, so we're gonna see. And I warmed up my food this time. Y'all can see the little steam coming up. I warmed up the food this time. All right, we're gonna start with the oxtails. I think it's the oxtails right here. Where the meat at, cuz? I got this little mom and pop shop in Tampa. That's still good. Let me add some ice to it. The lady said, "This your first time eating it?" I think she knew. Probably just on my face. I said, "It is my first time." She told me you're gonna be back. We're gonna see. Bustin'. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese alright. Could have been a little bit more baked. We'll try the yams. I don't really like yams, bro, but we're gonna try this shit. The yams not that bad. I just don't like that sweet taste. I'm cool about my yams. I also got me strawberry lemonade. Let's see what she's here for. Ooh. Strawberry lemonade good too. Let me get some more oxtail, mac and cheese. I ain't gonna lie, oxtail's kind of hard to eat. Cornbread, alright. I don't like cornbread either, but it tastes decent. For the whole meal, I'll give it like a solid 8 out of 10 for the whole meal. The oxtails with the mac and cheese, that shit busting with the rice. The yams, I'm cool on the yams. I'm cool on the cornbread. But everything else good, but yeah, we'll fuck with that Jamaican food. Let me know what I should try next TikTok. I'm gonna fuck with y'all.
Look at his face. The faces of someone whose entire food experience just changed. You see that moment where they pause and process the flavor. That's when the spices hit. Jamaican seasoning doesn't play around. And now listen to them. Wait, what is the flavor? Exactly. That's the jerk seasoning working the magic.
Wagwan Bumbo Cloud, we in the house today trying Jamaican food. I met this pretty girl, her name is Beef Patty. Beef Patty.
The rice and beans.
Rice and beans, man.
Plantains.
With the plantains, man.
And oxtail.
With the oxtail.
I've never had oxtail. Are you serious? Never. Say it to me, can't lie.
So why you saying, are you serious? Like, say I be village girl.
I just shock me, say person be like me now. Try.
Poverty is a disease.
On living bread. The beef patty pie is giving an 8.5, man. Bumbo clap meat pie. I rate this just because my stew is not enough for. I rate it a 7/10. Strong 8, bro. And by when they do the next week, come on.
I want to do Korean.
Now they are starting to understand when people love this food. You see how fast the reaction changed? At first, they are unsure. Then suddenly, it is this amazing. And look at that. They are already going back for another bite. That is how you know it is serious. Jamaica food had that perfect balance of smoky, spicy, sweet, and savory. Once people experience it for the first time, they are usually shocked by how much flavor is packed into one dish. Now, did you see the reaction? Somebody almost jumped out of their seat, arguing about who gets the rest of the plate. That happens every time when people try Jamaica food for the first time. And the funniest part is someone says, "Why have I never had this before?" That's the moment when they realize they've been missing out.
First time trying Jamaican food.
At Angie's Jamaican Grill in Durham, North Carolina. We got oxtail, we got jerk ribs. They were out of the roster pasta though, unfortunately, but that's okay.
First time trying oxtails other than on that pizza in New York.
Look at these jerk barbecue ribs. These plates are heavy as shit. Hold on now, bro.
I taste flavorful meat with fat on it.
Do y'all even want me to review it for y'all? Y'all see the damn... Yeah, the meat doesn't fall off the bone, but you can suck it up. Yeah!
Same for the oxtails. They just melt in your mouth as soon as you bite it. Look, see, I'm gonna show you. Gone.
Just off the meat alone, Jazz, I think you should book us a flight to damn Jamaica.
You book us a flight.
10 out of 10, slight spice too.
I'm gonna give it a 10 as well.
Sweet yams, and don't say, Cam, you should have got cabbage. I don't like cabbage, and I'm not gonna act like it for y'all.
I got collards and sometimes I don't like them.
Oh my God. I love a damn yam. It's like an infestation of brown sugar on these. I love that. I'm brown sugar. That's Jazz.
Whatever.
All right.
I'm used to my collards being real wet. These are really salty too.
That's that damn Jamaican culture's up on it, Jazz.
I'm not knocking it, it's just not for me. 6.5.
10 out of 10. Sweet yams.
Fried plantains.
Jamaican beef patty. Like a little damn beef calzone, bro.
These are sweet, crunchy, got a little char to them.
The only flavor from this is coming from the golden flaky crust. The beef, I'm not a big fan of. Optics of the beef is just scaring the hell out of me. I'm not gonna hold y'all.
I love bananas. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
4.
Baked mac and cheese. Y'all look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yellow rice, cause like I said, once again, I want the damn cabbages.
Yeah. Cheesy, baked, well seasoned. Mac and cheese so good, it tastes like it's straight from Jamaica. I need the recipe. 10 out of 10.
The rice is straight, but what takes it to that next level is that damn jerk sauce seeping over from the ribs onto the rice. Damn! 7. Oh, eat some of that. Food is really good. I will be back, so give us more suggestions. We would have got more food, but it was already $69 for this. Damn, my pockets ain't that steep. That's jazz money.
Yeah, but we gonna be full tonight.
This is actually what makes this video great. Food is one of the best ways people discover new cultures. A lot of people might not know about Jamaica that much at first, but once they try food, they instantly connect with the culture. Jamaica cuisine carries influence from African, Caribbean, and global traditions, which is why the flavor are so unique.
I'm trying Jamaican food for the first time, and she gets to watch. What do we got going on in here? Ooh.
Y'all don't understand the smell right now.
Let's see what we've got. Do you see how tender that is? I don't know what this is.
Sorry, this
Do you need to go?
smells so good. I'm trying to taste it by like smelling it.
We use Too Good To Go again, so I don't know what any of this is.
If you guys know what it is, please drop it down in the comments so that we are informed.
There's a little bit of cinnamon. It's so tender.
It looks like you have some vegetables over here.
I'll get a little bite of it. I think this is the most tender cabbage I've ever had. Mmm.
I saw that.
And my God! Some cabbage. The rice is so flavorful and spiced, but it's like sweet spice.
You're sweet spiced.
I feel like I'm eating a lot of dense foods. The chicken is really flavorful and super tender, and so is the veg. Overall, I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10.
The smell, 8.7.
The smell is like a 9.
Let us know what you guys want us to try next. We're trying to eat basically around the world.
Yeah.
So different kinds of foods from different countries that we've never had before.
Hey, I love you!
Americans trying food for the first time, Jamaican food for the first time, was a complete success. They started skeptical, took one bite, and by the end of the video, they were completely addicted. Let me know in the comment section, what Jamaican dish should you people try first? And if you enjoyed the reaction, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.